Another one.
I've installed CentOS 9 on my VMware workstation, but it is a bit alien to me compared to Windows. How can I get better with Linux?
So if I'm being transparent, there's over the wire or under the wire that exists, which is solely built on understanding Linux and its frame structures. I've done some tutorials on it. We also have another individual. What is his name? That teaches. He's in the Bag Chasers. That taught a really great learning um, for Rocky Linux. And the reason why I bring up Rocky Linux is um, because CentOS is sunsetting and it's going to become defunct. And it's the thing that's gonna lead, or that's gonna mark the way ahead, is Rocky Linux. So going through and learning your commands, I think that's where you're going to find the greatest solution. And when I remember that gentleman's name,
I know
I'll
who you're
say
talking
it.
about. Keep it techie.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Josh at Keep It Techie. So just search on YouTube, Keep It Techie, and you're gonna find him. He had like I looked at a few of his videos. Like I watched part of the MySQL course breakdown that he had. That one's really good. His Linux information in general is really good. And I would also say check out Tamika from Women in Linux as well. So Women in Linux
Mm-hmm.
is the channel on YouTube. Also a bag chaser, and like both of those amazing Linux information.
Pretty,
And
pretty great stuff. And they're in the so the reason why I mentioned keep it techie is because his Rocky Linux is the same commands that you would use in CentOS. So if you that and again, under the wire, over the wire are two important. Like, just type in underthewire.org, and like that will get you into understanding Linux frame structures as well. So that's all I got.
awesome. And you know what? I think they're trying to make me stream like 24/7 because I have a Linux course that like I know some Linux and stuff like that, and I can like patch stuff together. But I have a Linux course that I'm
Right
gonna
here.
get to eventually, right? But it's like gotta find the
Yeah,
time.
yeah. I have courses as well that's built up for Linux specifically, covering from Debian all the way to gosh, Pac-Man. So yeah, love my Linux.
All right, right on time. Let's wrap that one up.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.